Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you? It is Wednesday. What is it? May 20th. Hope you're having a good day. Today's episode is Simple Way to Make Full-Time Money Online. And this is talking about recurring passive income. This is what I'm talking about these days. I just want to show you some programs where you want to find programs that are going to create passive income for you. You know what? There's so much competition right now out there for these one-off sort of product launches and ClickBank offers and Digistore offers and all this kind of stuff. Those are great, and those are a great sort of side income where you can put them in your content and make some deals and not really worry about it. But if you're spending money to drive traffic to an offer, you want to have an offer that's going to pay you recurring income, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So listen, hit the subscribe button and you can get notified when I go live or put up a new video. So what exactly is a recurring passive income? So basically it's anything that has a subscription to it. So if someone is buying hosting, right, they're going to continue to pay for that hosting over and over and over again because it's a subscription based. You don't get to buy it one time and have it. So what happens is a lot of people find it easy to go sell like a $7 product or a $27 product or a $47 product, from one of the affiliate places. And what happens with that lead? Well, either you're smart and you put a capture page before it so you get that lead's info that you can market to them later. But if you're not, like a lot of people, you've just sent them directly to the link. What happens is basically your the person that created that product, you're building their list. You're not building your list. They don't really care. Well, they do care. Of course they want to get the sale, but they want the list. They want the people on the list because if they've created one product, they're probably going to create other products. Now, on the first product, right? Let's say you do make a sale. You send a potential buyer, right? So let's say you've gone out and you've written a piece of content, or you've gone on social media and said, hey, I want you to try the XYZ product, and someone goes, yeah, and you send them the link. Now they go and they purchase that product, right? Now you, in 10 days time, or depending on where you're at, what product it is, anywhere from 10 to 15 days to 30 days out, you're going to get paid for that. And you'll probably be paid anywhere from 40 to 60%, somewhere in there, commission. So let's say it's a $50 item. So you're going to make $25. Once that $25 is done, once you've been paid that $25, that's gone. That buyer you can't even contact because the buyer's not on your buyer's list. Now, the person that paid you the $25 for that basically person, well, they got them on their list, right? So now they're working on a new product. They can now market their new product to their list, which is your buyer. That's where so many people get so bogged down. They keep doing it over and over and over. They keep sending leads to basically just affiliate links, and they're leaving the vast majority of the money on the table. If a person buys once, they're going to buy multiple times, especially if you have a good product. So you want to capture that person, because think about it this way, right? Here's the two scenarios. One, you've captured their email, right? And they've gone through and they've bought the product. Now, when the vendor launches a new product, they're probably going to let you know because you're on their JV list or something. They're going to say, hey, we're launching a new product. So you go back to your list and you market it to them right away. Well, if it was a quality product, that buyer will buy again through your affiliate link. Now, let's say you just sent them straight to the vendor, right? Now, the vendor pays you a commission, and now they have that person on the list. That vendor now launches a new product. They go, hey, Glenn, there's some new products for you to promote, right? So you now have to go get new leads to try to sell that product. You don't have old leads. You don't have a buyer's list, as we call it, to promote it to. So what is that vendor going to do? They're going to promote it themselves. And who's going to make the commission? They are. They're not going to track it back to you. That buyer is their buyer, and it's a brand new product, right? So this is where so many people get confused. So a simple way to make full-time income online is to create your list and to sell them into a recurring subscription based product. Now, I know of a couple of ones that I love, and what they are all about online training. And why do I promote online training? Because online training is what people are looking for. So think about the scenario of someone stumbles, they're trying, maybe they're trying to do a network marketing product, or they're trying to promote affiliate products, and they're struggling on how to basically attract leads to them. Well, if you can offer them, hey, here's a low cost marketing uh, program that will teach you how to do that for just a couple of bucks, you can get into it. Now, what happens is when they go into that, they're going to be added to your list first because that's the way these systems are set up. Secondly, that system will take them through a series of sales, hopefully some up sales, some book sales, some more training sales, and then a subscription based, right, for them to belong to the training. Now, all along the way, you're going to get paid because that program isn't making multiple siloed, if you know what a silo means, like a silo here and a silo here. They're not making siloed programs. They're going to make, like, if you get a commission on that person, anything that's sold within that system is tracked to you for your life. And that's the kind of system you want to be in. So I've got some links below that I want you to go check out, because these are the systems that you want to be selling. Now, how do you actually make it, how do you make it my title says the simple way to make full-time money online. Now, what is the simple way to do it? Well, simply, you have to send traffic to it. And you're like, oh, Glenn, that's, but traffic is not really that hard. So many people overthink it. There's paid traffic and there's free traffic. That's the only two types of traffic there is, right? Like, I mean, really, there's paid. You're going to pay someone to give you the traffic, or you create free traffic. And there's so many ways to create free traffic. Right now, I'm creating free traffic, right? I'm putting up a YouTube video. Someone is going to go online, or they're going to go on YouTube, and they're going to go, simple way to make money online. If I can promote this video and get it up ranking into the searches, right, which some mine do, people will find it, they will go there, and then in the description are the links that I want them to click. Any of those links that they click, I will click their email. They will then be sent on to whatever the offer is, right? So that's basically free traffic. I've created some content. I've put it on a free platform, YouTube. Now, I could do the same thing I could make an image, and I could do that on Facebook. I could do it, one of my favorite ones is actually Twitter, because I can keep rotating that content over and over, because basically I find Twitter is a ticker tape, right? It's the stuff just keeps going by. Now with Facebook, Facebook doesn't allow you to automatically repost stuff that you posted, 10 days earlier. Actually, if you post it again, they actually, they stop showing it all together. Like the algorithms in Facebook are crazy, guys. Like, it's just like, I can't figure it out. All I do is I go on Facebook and say, hey, get off Facebook and come and look at my other stuff. Now, Twitter, I can rotate through that thing, right? So I'm creating free traffic. Oh, I'm paying a $20 subscription to have that service to be able to do it, but I'm able to then generate hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of links are being constantly put up there with value pictures, right? Like, there's quotes that say, hey, here's an uplifting quote. If you want to learn about this, click here. If you want to learn about this, click here. It's not just like, buy my program. It's all about, if you want to learn, like this is the thing. Don't just say buy my program. Say, if you want to learn something, then check this out, right? My favorite script is, if you have a pen, write this down. So I all day long, I talk to people on multimedia, and they're like, hey, I'm adding you as a friend, the like-minded person, blah, blah, blah. All I say to them is, I say, how's it going generating leads and sales online? 95% of them go, it's really hard. And I basically open it up with this. I have a free Facebook training that really helped me. I can pass it on if you like. That is how I get 95% of my social media people that contact me into my mailing list. I then send them a free Facebook training. It's a funnel that will lead them to a program if they choose to go that way. And I recommend, if you do check out the Facebook training, go take, there's like a trial, 14-day trial or whatever. Highly recommend doing that. But that is what I do. And then people go, yeah, I'd love the free training. You send them free training, boom, they opt in, they're on your list. The other one is people that are sort of savvy and they're like, oh, I'm just trying to make different ways to make money. I go, well, I have a really great email series. It's like 44 emails long, and it's a sales funnel, and it sells multiple products in that sales funnel. It has recurring ones, and basically I give you the funnel for free. As you're filling out the pieces of the funnel, you're joining my programs in the funnel. That's how it works, right? And you do the same thing. So it's not like you can just promote it without being part of it. You're part of the funnel, and then you promote it. You're part of the whole thing. So that's how these things work. This is the simple way to make full-time income online, basically recurring passive income. So you want it to have a subscription based, right? I highly recommend something that has a system for tracking you as a seller. That's a contained system where you get to get all the sales in that system. And you need to, so non-starter, build your list, right? So below is a program that has all those components in it. I recommend you, it just launched a couple of weeks ago. I recommend you get involved with that. It's a great way to have website, video hosting, all the things that you need. It pays 100% commission, so you make a great income from referring it, even to referring it to people that don't want to be resellers. You will still get paid on the subscription of it. So it's a brilliant program. So I want you to check that out. And then I'm going to put a couple links to some other trainings, a marketing plan training that'll just cost you like $7 to check it out, and another traction marketing that's really focused on network marketers. And if you're a network marketer, just comment below, hey Glenn, I'm a network marketer, which is the best program for me, or say, hey Glenn, I'm brand new, what's the best program for brand new? Or I've been trying everything, Glenn, I just need a system that works. Then just put those below, and I'll reach out to you and we can have a conversation. And thank you, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and that's all I have for the simple way to make full-time income, full-time money online with recurring passive income. All right guys, cheers.